Hi, my name is Michal Takac and I'm a PhD student at the Technical University of Košice in Slovakia. And in this presentation, I'm going to try to break the wall of learning mathematics. So, throughout the primary and secondary schools, mathematics is taught in a formal way, focusing on abstract representations, moving symbols around in equations, and memorization of procedures. This approach then presents real problems at the university mathematics because students have problems creating mental models that would allow them then to apply their knowledge to solving real engineering problems. I'm breaking the wall of learning mathematics with a project called Math World VR, an immersive learning environment in virtual reality in which students break from the traditional way of first methodically learning how to shift symbols around in equations and then trying to understand how this exercise translates into graphical representation, often missing the connections, point of the idea or concept that the teacher wants to express along the way in the lecture. With this project, I'm trying to take traditional approach and turn it on its head. So instead, students dive into this immersive world that embodies change. At first, they are encouraged to play with the graphical representation of some mathematical concept, to try changing things, see how things on the screen behave according to the change they made. They are encouraged to ask questions why? Why is it behaving like this? Why I can't have input x past some number? Why it changes so quickly or so slowly? And so on. They are able to touch, grab, zoom in, zoom out, and interactively update inputs or boundary conditions. And then with the real-time feedback, equations, graphs, visualizations, or in the future even simulations of real-world problems respond. Seeing this responsiveness first and then supporting it with the formalization of mathematical concept helps to build up deeper understanding. The prototype you see is actually running in a Chrome web browser without the need of installing additional plugins, and it can be accessed from high-end VR headsets, mobile VR headsets, desktops or even smartphones. It uses web VR technology and the code is open source. Math World was also mentioned at the Google I/O live event in Mountain View, California, to showcase what web VR in Chrome browser is capable of. And in a closing note, I want to say that the world we live in is not static. It's dynamic. Things move, flow, spread, behave in particular ways. They change. And mathematics can describe phenomena like this. But if we want to get our students, future engineers, to understand this message, we have to stop adding bricks to this wall. So thank you for your time.